1, 2. I messed up. Well, I don't know. I didn't mess up. That's incorrect. I did not mess up. But something weird happened. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's a top 1 futures issue that's happening right now, or what it is. But it's a little bit weird. Hey Franks, how you doing? Sorry, I open this now. Question: what is your winning ratio with your strategy? When you lose, how much you lose, and when you win, how much you win? Oh, so Tino, so when I lose, well, if I put the correct amount of contracts in. Number 1, I put the correct amount of contracts in. If I lose $200. So then naturally, if I win $400 because it's a 1-to-2 R ratio. Lurk, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? How is everyone? How was the trading day yesterday? Mike. Can I mark the low and have the first 5-minute candle? I can, Mike M. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm getting there. I'm getting my life together. The public holiday here in South Africa, so everything's kind of going a bit slow. That's just a really bad excuse, but I'm going with it. I'm sticking with it. We're going with it, okay? Okie dokie. So that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done. Lucky Lefty, good morning. Trade Delicious. Hey yo, how is everyone? So can I just show you quickly? Can I show you quickly what my chart has done? I don't know why it's done it. Maybe it's fixed itself. I don't think it has though. It has moved everything. Everything. Like, this was my winning trade from yesterday, and obviously I had everything marked out, but everything is now shifted down by quite a bit, which is not good. I don't know why it's done this, but here we are. And you can see it's done it here as well. It's done it with everything. I don't know why. Why has it done this? Is this a prop issue, but because now nothing is marked out correctly? I even tried to turn it off and back on again. Reset it. That's it. English found it, nailed it. But yeah, this is not great. Hey Ethan, what's up? How you doing? Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to add my Solly, what up? How you doing, Solly? I'm having a moment, as you can see. Because what the heck, man? I don't know why it's done this. It's messed up everything. It means none of my levels are correct. Which also kind of sucks. Just eating dinner, I'm behind schedule. Don't worry, me too. It's okay. Haven't even opened the charts yet. Damn, Solly. You're super behind schedule. That's fine. High Life. Oh, what? How you doing, High Life? How's everything going? Like I said, I'm not too chuffed about all this, but I guess there's nothing I can do about it either. Right now, I'm just gonna ignore that. We're just gonna pretend nothing happened for now. Only True Trader. What up? Happy Reconciliation Day. I think. I don't know if that's like a normal thing to say, but we're going with it. Hey David, thank you. Shout out to David. Thanks for the donation. Is this Forex? No, it's not Forex, sorry. YouTube Darren, what up? Shout out, David. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I did. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bam. Okay. We have our daily opening gap, but... Okay. Like I said, I don't know what the chart's done. I don't know if this is a mix-up because of the prop firm or what, but this is not ideal for me today. But we're gonna just... We carry on carrying on. Here we go. So here's Asia high. All my levels are now off, so I'm gonna have to recheck everything. Everything. And that's okay, I guess. Let's do this. Don't know why I decided to wake up and choose violence today, but here we are. Did I mark that as Asia low or Asia high? Please say, I said, okay, I did. I said Asia high. We're okay. We're okay. Just fishing? And you think, are you asking, is it gonna go up? It might want to come fill in this gap. I haven't checked the higher time frames yet. Maybe I need to start focusing a little bit. My game, after you mark them, look for a break for a trade on the min chart. Nice, David. Thank you. I appreciate it. Good to escape, I guess, right? So Mike M, you say mark the first 5 minutes. Okay. I can already see my Wi-Fi is not gonna play ball. Here we go. First 5-minute candle. So, Mike, is this not just the 5-minute orb strategy? Is that essentially what you're trying to show me? Nothing hectic there. I need to mark the 3 AM open. Also, watch out for the 4 AM open. We have some good relative equal highs around here. As well as VWAP. I think it's on its way to tap into VWAP. Take some more of this fair value gap as well. Nope, I'm already on the 5. Maya, you chop. Oh my gosh. Everything is in go slow mode because of... Invest in Dogecoin. Meep. First of all, Meep is adorable. Second of all, why Dogecoin? Yeah, David, it's me. Hey Laura, what's up? How's it going? Ligmag, what's up? About since it's still there. Ah, thanks, Ethan. And well, enjoy if you do go out and about. This is a goodie. Okay. I'm gonna ignore all of those. We're just gonna go with what we have ready today and go with that. Okay, nice on the 15-minute. 1 hour. Damn. Okay. I want to say it's going to the new weekly opening gap, but none of my levels are where they're supposed to be, so I'm assuming that is higher up as well. I don't know why the charts decided to wake up and choose violence, but here we are. We are awake and we have chosen violence. So that's fun. Hey, Chosen Bean, what's up? Can't sleep, you gotta be up in 3 hours to catch a flight. Damn. Chosen Bean, at that point, I almost want to say there's no point in going to sleep. Here we go. Yeah, we got a lot to pull. Let's do this. Go back to the 1 minute. Not price teasing you right now. Only True Trader, what's it doing? Is it only my chart that's done this? By the way, I'm assuming yes, but I don't know. 10 points from your TP. Wait, only True Trader, are you in a trade? Also, Dad, what's up? How's it going? David G, hi. And I Tech Codes, how are you? Laura, how's the trading been going, by the way? Well, here's the 5 minute, but I'm gonna mark out 3 a.m. open. Just because Rip's not here doesn't mean we don't stick with them rules. I want to say it's going for these highs. Let's zoom out a little bit. Wanting to fill that massive imbalance on the 4 hour. Oh, well, there we go, Chosen Bean. Yeah, been a one since True Trader. Okay. I mean, that's a really good flipping entry, I think. Wait. Yeah, that's a really good entry. What? You still in it? How's that? Laura, great. That's amazing. What a change from... The Wi-Fi is having a proper struggle bus today. Proper struggle bus. I see all the weirdos have started coming up. Like, that's a buy signal. Which part of it is a buy signal, Mike? Maybe this is why I always struggled with the orb. I thought it had to be like a proper breakout of the orb for it to be a proper buy signal. Boom Banana, can I be a weirdo? Of course you can, Boom, what's up? Oh, Laura, actually doing gold right now? Oh, never mind then. And how's gold? Oh no! It is weird weather today. It's weird weather today. It was freaking boiling this morning, and then all of a sudden there's this huge rain cloud that's kind of come out of nowhere. We swept Asia low. Target the 4 hour fair value gap entry to 41 candle high. Okay, only True Trader, I have a question. Isn't this the Asia low? Yes, no, maybe? Oh, great with my strategy now. Oh, damn, Laura. Okay, so are you sticking with gold? Are you kind of going between the two? And what's the new strategy? There's so many news today. Okay, so let's not expect anything amazing, is what I'm hearing. Started using the 50 EMA instead of the 21 and really change things. Oh, that's interesting. That's really interesting. Targeting 241 candle high. Okay. So that was buy signal. Let me have a look at this. With this, oh, that would have been a good entry. Maybe I should have started focusing a little bit earlier. Yes, no, maybe. But it's fine. Let's carry on. Drawing a box from high to low from 6 a.m. to 8:30. Selling at top and risk level, or vice versa with other confluence. Damn. Okay, Laura, and that's it. And you just do one trade a day, or what is it? Yeah. I feel like I've got all my times then wrong. Completely wrong. Only true trader, whoop whoop. Whoop whoop, well done. That is amazing. Amazing. Okay. So there was a whoop whoop already so early in the session. That's freaking cool. And my position when it trends. Oh, nice. Okay. No, I didn't get in now. Yeah, it's fine. Move in. Am I trading maxing? No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What up? Tarif? I'm from South Africa. Or recent resistance on small. Solly, me and you are a little bit slow today, and that's okay. We're allowed to be slow. Especially today. It is a public holiday in South Africa, just saying. Things are allowed to be a little bit more chill. Took out some liquidity. Okay, I need to wait for my confluence. Let's not let FOMO win today. It is going for this imbalance. Let's see if it bounces off of it. Boom, have you started packing yet? You asked ChatGPT. Oh? Interesting. What? How old do you think I am? So wait, Laura, this is what ChatGPT told you. To try that strategy, or what did you ask ChatGPT exactly? Because I think that's quite interesting. There we go, Solly. Same wavelength today. I love it. I'm all for it. Let's do this. Yeah, I wish you all the best trading today. Oh, thanks, David G. I'll see you then later, New York session. Yeah. Mando 25, Sadiv 28. Ooh, you guys are both super close. Interesting. Alright, I came in for that trace. Wait, Mike, are you done? I mean, with all the news, okay, so it's taken out that liquidity, that liquidity. Okay. Let's see, with all the news that's going to be happening today. Whoopsies. Am I nervous? Let's not say nervous. But we'll definitely be cautious. Oh, why are things struggling today? It's just a struggle bus today. Hey, baby style, how you doing? I want you, but that's the only trade I usually show up. Oh, damn. Okay, so Mike, you do one trade a day and then you're done? And that's your thing? Baby style, you think today is long? Hey! Today, do I play chess? Yeah, kind of. I have played chess. Am I good at playing chess? Not really. But I can play it. How is it already? How? How are we already 22 minutes into the session? Man, time is flying by. For now, yes, one trade a day. No, don't worry. Hey Gray, what's up, Simon Nasdaq Queen? Thanks, yeah. Great, this is just the 5-minute. Mike M was trying to show me the 5-minute orb, but this here is the 3 a.m. open that I have marked out. Did also go into the higher time frames, checking out this massive imbalance. I guess now the question is, did it take out what it wanted? And now we're headed for Asia highs. Asia had some crazy moves again. What is going on with the Asia session recently? And London's been meh. I'm not going to say bad, I'm just going to say meh. There could have been a possible decent entry, although I probably would have gone here and it would have been really close. Ah, but still potentially a win. Potentially a scary win, but a win. What? I say that it has not gone to where I wanted to go yet, but anyway. Oh, David, you still here? What's up? You're being awfully quiet. Everyone's being awfully quiet. Is it because it's holiday? Yeah, Gray, what do you trade? A reversal trade, perhaps a tight one. That's what I was thinking. Let's see what today brings, right? Let's see what today brings. There is news later, so I guess whatever happens, happens. Ah, that sounds like fun. David, what happened? Baby Star, what indicator is it? Right, apparently I have the wrong range, but Asia high to low is something stupid as well. Let's see. Nearly 300 points. That doesn't sound right, but it looks right. Okay, let's see if this pops back down or if this is going to continue, because then definitely we're carrying on to the buy side. It is going into where I kind of wanted it to, though. I'm going to mark out this imbalance. For this reason. There. You double check on the 5-minute. Nope, it is lower down. It's about to tap into it. Huh, shoot, maybe I should have just taken it. So, that being said, did I have... at one confluence? So it was not an A+ setup. So, no. I should not have taken it. So it's okay then. Yeah. David, tell him to grow up. Okay, cheers, great. Enjoy. Cactus Nova, what's up? Hello, what does ICT mean? ICT means Inner Circle Trader. Hi, Ngu, what's up? How's it going? David, if we... Oh no, Solly, careful. Honey Horse, no Tradio, what's up? Sorry, I like your name because I like horses, but anyways. There's no contracts rollover on the 25th. Huh. Hey Wither, what's up? How are you, by the way? How's it been going? How's the trading going? Do I need a video editor? I'm okay, I think. I'm doing not the best job, but I'm doing it. That makes perfect. Oh, you guys are being mean. Damn. Solly, go fight them. Go get them. Go have some fights now. Wait, Solly, have you gotten any trades in, by the way? Hey, with a nice. Wow, just randomly stumbled upon it. Not happy to be back or anything. That's fine, it's fine. You hurt my feelings, but it's fine. I'm joking. Completely messing around with you. Okay, we are now in business, except for the fact that it has taken out that, but maybe we are actually headed to properly fill this gap and we're going to the order block. Coming back into here would be good, so that's one. The only not good thing, yes, as my charts look bad today. It did go into that 50% range of this imbalance. See if it's going to reject off properly. Or not so much. If not so much, it could be a good place for an entry. You would take a trade to the downside of a brace 0.5. Honey horse, it's what I was thinking, but now it could, from this point, it could go either way. It could want to continue to fill the imbalance on the 4 hour up all the way here. Or yes, it's hit the midpoint of the imbalance and it might want to start going back down again. So we're at a little bit of a... Whoopsie daisies, I hope I didn't click anything and don't do something. No? Okay, we're good. I nearly clicked something accidentally. I nearly said limit buy randomly. This just turned bullish for you. Teaching 2 people right now. Oh, nice, Wither. And how are they doing? That is amazing, Wither. The retest to 0.5. I might lock in some sellers coming in. Let's see this confirmation. Hey DK, what's up? How are we doing? That's the thing, I do have this inverse to... But it just hit that level there. That's 3. It's not going with as much as I thought it would have, which is promising if it goes down to that level. However, so I have literally already mitigated this risk by half, purely because of the fact that it's tapped into this level. Oh great, and an imbalance is now being created. Let's see if we fill this imbalance. Might want to reject off of it. This is not looking like the best of trades right now. I want to see how nicely it respects that imbalance. Okay, no. Did not respect it as much as I thought it would. Yeah, okay. There we go. kind of. Tapped into it a second time. Margins are really low right now, so able to get in pretty well and getting in cheap. Nice. Oh, chosen bean. No problem. So, sweet and simply. There we go. I don't know if you can see. It's a little snail and flowers. There we go. I look like I'm flexing. I'm sorry, I'm not flexing. There we go. It's a little snail and flowers. I call him Sunny. He is adorable. I love him. It is respecting and it has not closed above this 50%, so this could be a possible reversal. However, we do have this inverse fair value gap as well. What time is it? 33 past. I mean, the buyers look like they're having a bit of a fight. Oh no, Ungu, oh no, no, I'm so sorry. Still need a confirmation. Exciting. Margin for E-mini S&P is like 2K. Damn, with it? Okay. I mean, these wicks to the buy side are a little bit nerve-wracking. That's all I have to say. I'm not convinced about this one. Like I said, I have mitigated risk by half already, so I'm not risking as much as usual, so it's fine. This is like a B setup. This is actually me being a little bit cheeky. I probably should not be taking this trade, but here we are. Unstoppable, what's up? Just need guidance as a beginner. Can make a career in trading? I think it's definitely possible to have a career in trading. Is it easy though? No. I do believe that's where the misconception comes in. That's liquidity grab there, sell signal. Bam, it hit Honey Horse. It hit what? It didn't even... I'm sorry, maybe if we zoom in closer, we will... That tapped in. That... Guys, how? It literally... Stupid. Well, I mean, that hurt. That hurt my feelings. I know. The spread's a little fluffer. Little mother fluffer. That felt like a personal attack right there, but whatever. Moving on. I'm gonna go get a job done day trade. Why? Baby style. Yes, South Africa. I am South African. Hello, hello. Are you also South African? Joe K. Joe K. Where's your P&L show? Mario Forex, it's everything that's up here. Yeah, you can see everything up here. That felt unnecessary. This trade is still valid though. It hasn't taken out anything. Little tap into there with a proper rejection. Okay. Let's see. Still valid for now. I don't know if this is a mistake or not, but we're going with it. Honey Horse, no, it did not fill. Hey YouTube, Darren. My bias is bullish until it takes out the imbalance. Or the massive fair value gap. It has hit the midpoint of the fair value gap and it is respecting it though. So I'm a little bit nervous. This 0.5 line right here is basically the midpoint of the imbalance and you can see no bodies have closed above. Which means, yes, this might be inevitable for it to start shooting down. Let's see. Nox, it didn't tag me in. It didn't tag me in. Like I even zoomed in. The spread screwed me. The fact that it's respecting this level is scaring me, but I guess we're too late now. One to one. At this level. If we get to that level, let's see. Let's see what happens. Saffron? Oh no. Oh no. See. That's not okay. What's not okay? Oh, the spread, right? Mike M, this choppiness. I know. It's important to know what you trade with is discretionary capital. Yep, 100%. You made day trading your job almost 10 years. Best thing I've ever done. So with well, I'm assuming you make enough to live happily. That sounds weird. I hope that makes sense what I'm trying to say. Hands off though, trust your gut. Yeah. Well, you know, when if it reaches this level, if it reaches that level, I'll mitigate risk by half. Otherwise, yeah, hands off. Which broker am I using that allows trades on Trading View? Oh, well, Joke, I mean, there's a few. I'm using Top 1 Futures. I'm currently with Project X though, but I know Project X is no longer really going to be a thing anymore. This does look like a bearish trade coming in, but whatever. We're sticking with it. But, I mean, Funding Ticks allows Tradeovate and Trading View. I think, I don't want to lie and say all of them, but you can check out all the prop firms in my description below. Number one, all of them are SA friendly. So that's a win. Number two, I can mitigate by half there. Okay. Cool. Okay, risk is mitigated by half. Now I leave it alone. Okay, now is that half? It's basically half. It might bounce off VWAP here, but Yeah, to be fair, this is quite a nice trade. Whatever. Leaving it alone. Leaving it alone. You should be fine either way in the market right now. It's pretty volatile. Yep. Thanks, David. This is your... how many contracts per trade? Ngu, it depends on how big the trades are. So this one, I even said I wasn't super confident. So I mitigated by half. So I only did 5 contracts, so it's around $100 risk. Whereas normally I would do $200 risk. But it's because, number one, it's a little bit choppy. Number two, it did hit this 50% level of the imbalance. And number three, yeah, it was respecting it. So it was a little bit of a risky trade. Okay, well, either way, it's break even now. I paid the duck, so we good. Ooh. Okay, now it's kind of hands off. Stop sale 3. Okay, whoop whoop. Got a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, maybe it's a bad thing, but I did not have lots of confidence in that trade, but moving on. But regardless, it was a win. Yeah, there's a small gap underneath. I don't think I don't need tabs and goes again. A small gap underneath. Hey, Trader Logic, how's it going? How are you doing? What, finding that sweet middle? Yeah. A sneeze misclicked and accidentally. You're back. Wow, David. This. Okay, I'm looking good. David, I have actually left a runner. I do have a runner left. But whoop whoop. So yeah, I still have one in the game, guys. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna move it to there. I don't know if that's pushing it a bit. But I got one in the game, still. Where'd be a good point? It's going. Imagine if you went in 3 times size. Honestly, sorry, but it's fine. Whatever. I always do that. And then the ones I'm so sure about that I'm like, I got this. Let's go full in on it. Ugh. It's like I said, I even journaled it yesterday saying, I need to be better at doing this. Is it bad that I low-key want to take this trade? Or add to the trade? So I could if it comes back down to this level. Oh, thanks. Only true trader, runner to where? I know, that's what I'm trying to decide. What about here? Where it could tap into this little bit of an order block and could potentially bounce? Or are we going for gold and saying 262? I don't know if that's pushing it a little bit though. I mean, there's relative equal highs here. This level could be good. It feels a bit cheeky though. Again, this is a nice entry. I must say, it is time to size up to pass your EVA. I don't know. You don't want to fail EVA, but yeah. I need to sign them to like pass in like 3 trades, but enough to pass. True. That's fun. Okay. Thanks, David. When you're right, you're right. If I see it coming back to this level, do you guys think I should try add to it? What are your thoughts? Or is it just kind of running away? It looks like it's low-key just running away, but if it does come back, I still like it for an entry. I mean, this one actually has the 3 confluences. This one's actually an A+ setup. Oops. Hey, Spirited Nation Networks, what's up? How you doing? MG5, did I? No, I didn't. Did I? Now you make me question my life. I did not, did I? Oh no, this is running away. Is this on 1 minute chart? Hey Daniel, yes it is. Like it's a bot. Yeah, indeed. Indeed. Like unless it's a massive. Agree with me because catching bangers like this and only making 200 is great if you find it. Not during an eval, try risk like 250 or 2. So that's what I'm supposed to be risking. Like I said, I didn't do it because I wasn't super confident in it. Which is also a me thing, right? That's a me thing and I must get over it, but yeah. Am I just gonna be trailing this now? Or should I do what Rip says and leave it alone? Is this the hectic resistance? Maybe? Maybe not. Add to it, don't add. Add, don't add. Add, don't add. 3. New York might continue downwards. Oh, interesting, Nox. I mean, Nox, it makes lots of sense. Hey, Spirit Nation Network, when do I usually come live? Well, I come live twice a day. I go live twice a day. No, you guys, honestly. I go live for the London Open at 3 AM EST and the New York Open. I hop on at 9:15 AM EST. This is not looking promising. I have a full-time job, so I have to swing trade. Ah, okay, yeah, that's a struggle. Looking for another entry or sell. Let's see what to do. Just gotta get it done. Even if you fail, try again with my probable. Emotions take over. Yeah. And because effort, David, that's bad. If you think about it, you know the answer. Whether the problem is I love to overthink. So, you know, impulse. I'm gonna add just like 2 because let's see. Let's see. Except it does appear to be slowly respecting it, but we're trying something. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Is that good? No, this is still the 1 minute candle. Thank you, Ahmed. Appreciate you answering. This is good. Once you gain full confidence in your trades, you know you're doing it right, and your success in trades follow. Just risk more on evals, then go back to normal funded. No, you are right. You are right. Must just start saying, duck it a little bit, right? Duck it. Let's see, and let's go for it. The rest of this week. By the way, guys, so I've been doing like a tiny bit of research with regards to footprints and DOM trading and things like that. Just out of curiosity. What do you guys think about all of that? I know it's a bit confusing, especially for beginners. That's not good. Whatever. Learning to trade is a lot about finding confidence with your strategies. Everyone's strategies are different, 100%. But yeah, out of curiosity. Yeah, Ahmed, well, this is kind of my main strategy. This is starting to look like a sell now. But I'm gonna keep it. So I need to, this can be up here, so either way, it's a little bit of green. Actually, this can be here. What just happened? Why did you do that? Go back to there. So if it takes me out, it makes no difference. If it comes to grab me up there or underneath, also makes no difference. And if it continues going up, I still got skin in the game, if you will. Oh, Rip will yell at me if he saw this. Rip would definitely be yelling at me if he saw this because I'm messing with it. Not gonna lie, this is my last week trading. So only true trader. My plan is, yeah, sweet and simply, my plan is that I'll still hop on live. What is it? I think Monday and Tuesday, and then I won't be here the 24th, 25th, 26th. It's weekend, and then I'll hop back on Monday and Tuesday. No, just leave it alone. boom leg up from here. You think so? I'm feeling like I should have left this alone. Like, what's the point of adding on if I haven't added on? Never mind. Maybe not. I don't know. You see, this is where the overthinking starts to come into play again. Yay! How much fun for me. Good for you, pandemic. Anyways. We're coming to that inverse fair value gap. Yeah, so only true trader. Let's see if there's even gonna be anything decent. But I guess at the end of the day then, yeah, essentially there'll be 2 weeks of no real trading. Yeah. I'll still hop on for those 2 days though. I think it's literally Monday and Tuesday and then a break and then Monday and Tuesday. I think I don't even know where we are anymore. But I'll put all that up somewhere. I'll make a post. Hey Mayo, what's up? How you doing? Whether some trades just take patience? Yep. Don't let your emotions take over. I know. You're correct. They must stay out of my way. Sometimes trades feed. David, I mean, I would probably make more money trading feed picks. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. That feels very weird. Not happening. Yeah, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What up? How's it going? Oh, there is a lot of resistance here. Okay. Let's see what happens. I've had days negative 12k left to make my margin. Just before the end. Oh, damn, Wither, what? That's ridiculous. Oh no. Okay, well, I got that. I'm in this now. Anyways. Maybe that was a mistake, but here we are. We're doing this. This looks like it's going down now. It's going down. I'm yelling. Moving on. That's now going to be stuck in my head. Where did my little VWAP go? You little mother fluffer, you were over here earlier. Okay, but level here. I was supposed to have 3 for this. Has created a proper inverse fair value gap there. Well, let's see. David, you funny. Might help for you to have a couple of different times of charts and help your overall strategy. Oh, interesting, Joker. No, you are not the first one to say that though. No, I'm 100% South African, born and bred, never lived abroad. Yeah. But I have heard from a few different people that I do have a bit of an accent. Yeah, no idea. Next candle should tell us the direction. Today is rollover. You just gotta accept the risk and how many trades you're willing to take in a session. No, that's true. Only true trader, that is valid. It is... Let me be quiet. I was gonna say it is rejecting how I kinda wanted to, but... Let's do this. So the problem with sometimes being greedy, but this is definitely the moment to try some things out. Like I said, this one I only did 2 contracts. Again, maybe that was a mistake. I should have left the third, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's see if it respects this or not. Helps to berate the computer screen. Whether I've learned to try and keep my cool with my poor computer screen. Do you know the amount of times I've given this poor PC the bird? So I was just like, screw it! Why did you do that? Aw. Famous man, thank you. I mean, it's 1 trader session, so overall 2. So you're done today, only 2 trader? Well, for New York. You're done for New York session. I sound a little like Australians. I've heard that as well. Not from Australians, but everyone else. Bye, Signal. Hey, dog boy, what's up? No, you scale in, not supposed to be the same amount of cons, because you could lose all your profits. Exactly. Okay, so I did the right thing. Good. I'm glad. There we go. Now I'll mitigate this risk by half point. I don't know why I said half point like that, but anyway. Not gonna lie, am I the only reason I trade London now? So, well, I say sorry, but has London been treating you better? Out of curiosity? Be honest. Has London been treating you better? Because I have found that London has been treating me better. Not always, not always, but sometimes I find that I actually prefer trading the London session. Now, New York session, I shall be back. Nice. If them candlesticks, they know they want to do I think. 36 boys. I have questions about your name, but anyways, yes, I'm trading futures. Move, break even. Scale in. Oh, no, that's true. That is valid. Europe is new to the news, eh? Oh, interesting. Oh, there we go. Laura, see? Where did you get that name from, 36 boys? I'm sure it could be a false breakout. Let's see, Mike. Well, I still got a runner left. Yeah. I don't know if I'm now being greedy. But it has taken out there. This gives me a good indication. Where was my level? There's my level. Oh, wait, here's the top of the range. This should then theoretically be my zone. I'm kind of just gonna keep riding this. Is that bad? I'm just gonna kind of keep it going. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it's not. But we are going with it. But New York can sometimes give me entry, but not tag me and just my target. Sweetheart London would never do me dirty, only true trade. I love that. This one has all of this going for it, but it could be a breakout, but I do like that. It feels like I'm pushing my luck low-key, but we're trying it. Like I said, I am low-key pushing my luck, but effort. With a put a limit, yep. You better journal this. You're more of a continuation trader, so these type of trades will do you good. Right? I'm joking. That's how many boys he has he answered. Is your strategy based on... No, wait, 36 boys? Oh, you're from Germany? Wait, oh, I missed your answer. I'm so sorry. No, you didn't answer. What's 36 boys? Why? What? I have questions about your name. Why? Why 36 boys? What does it mean? Who does it mean? Why does it mean? Okay, we're going up. Yeah, if I hadn't been taken out, I could have taken some more profit here. Maybe that's then my signal. Sorry, can you see I'm trying to figure this out now? That could be my signal to move this one higher. Okay, let's see. Hey, Dr. Gambino, what asset am I trading? Trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? What strategy is that? It's... I don't want to say my own, because that sounds bad. It's my own little GAN box. It's kind of market auction theory mixed with some ICT and SMC confluences. I know you're all going to yell at me and say it's basically the same thing, but still. No, not yet. Let me not get excited. I nearly said I broke above the 51 level on my eval. But let's not get too excited. We have hit some resistance here. Oh, it's the name of a Turkish rap. Oh, interesting. 36 boys. Okay, cool. Sorry, David. I'm focusing. Can you guys see I'm locked in? I know that's probably weird for you guys, but I'm locked in for once. By using... help you find tops and bottoms the way you trade. Stochastic indicator. Thanks. Let me have a look. Should be hands off again, right? Yep, hands off, hands off, hands off. What did I want to do? Notes. Notes. Little notey notes. I don't know why I said it like that, but moving on. No, you little brat. Hey, Boom, what's up? Oh, damn. Okay, well, it left the building. It didn't come get in. Come grab some more. Oh, well. I'm gonna happily move that there, though. That would have been... if I had my 3, I could have taken some more at the 1.1 level, but that's okay. Ooh. This and the limit buy are near a similar spot. Oh, damn. Oh, it's still going. Oh, it's still going properly. Okay. No, you stay there. You go here. If it comes back down this far. I don't know if it will. Though, to be fair, if it does, I think now I can happily take this out, at least here. No, man, stop that. Go to where you're supposed to go. One, two. Is this the better range, or should I actually do the smaller range now? It didn't quite go back where I wanted it to, but... clearly the buyers were in some control there. With that... oh, cool, but it's important. Boom banana, thank you. Like it? Yep. Don't add it, just trail. I mean, I added earlier, to be fair. But it's because, yeah, I did a bad, yeah. I did not place the correct amount of contracts, but it's fine. It's fine. I am trailing now, though. You can see I'm gonna stick, or kinda by the swings. You don't think ad? This could be a decent ad. Let me close this. Wakey wakey, please. Eggs and bakey. Let's do this. I mean, I already added here. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Wait. Kim. I don't like where the stop is for this one. This might be where it takes me out. Damn, this might be where it takes me out. Only true trader relax, don't overtrade. I know. We're gonna get payout in 22. Let's see. There's being confident and being too confident. No, that's true. Leave it, don't be greedy. No, you are correct. I was just looking, sorry. I'm trying to make up for the fact that I put the incorrect amount of contracts into the first trade. Oh well, it's why I've placed this literally just where the other TP would have been. Hey buddy. Oh, thanks Nox. Thanks guys. I'm down for a retracement for liquidity zone. Boom banana, no pool today? No, not yet. I nearly jumped into the damn ocean earlier, just saying. Let's see. But you're right, let's not be greedy now. I think that was really cool, and I was able to add on to it as well, which was even better. David, no. It's not she's a woman, she loves to blow money. It's she is a horse rider. Horses are expensive. Like, I'm so happy wearing the cheapest clothes. I don't even have branded clothing. The only thing I have are one single pair of Vans. It's like the only brand of clothing I have. Unless you count the horse stuff. Because then I have a lot of branded. Always break up my trades into little groups and don't trade all in one spot. You're not the first person that said that. Bonjour, how's it going? I'm not even going to try and say your name. I see excellent folk. Excellent. I can call you excellent. So that was coming in. Fair value capture to sell. Case of random swings. True. Don't do that. The ocean will take you away. Boom. It probably will. It probably will. But like I said, it's been so hot here recently. And luckily, where I live, the beach is beautiful. The beach here is so nice and so nice to swim in. Hey, cool Caleb, what's up? Still bullish overall, Mike M, you think so? And the monkeys are back. I have a feeling that you ain't adding, it's gonna go back up and you missed it. I mean, David, that's how it always works. Hey! Faisal from Dubai, how's it going? I'm good, how are you? MG5GM, I live in South Africa. What's up? How's it going? Sorry, there's a baby monkey screaming. It's like this high-pitched noise, and it's freaking me out. Okay, it stopped. Maybe the mom found it. Here in Germany, it's way too cold. Do you want to swap? It's boiling. Like, literally, my poor horse just stands there and sweats because it's so hot. Surely you're talking about Cape Town and not KZN. No, KZN. Joke, I'm in KZN. Throw a rock at it. Boom, banana cyst. This man. Monkey. Yeah, there we go, Joke. Yep, 100%. If there's vervet monkeys involved, it's KZN. So, Joke, don't be mad at me. A lot of South Africans get mad at me, but I've actually never been. I've never been to Cape Town. As a South African, I've never been to Cape Town. Which I know is like bad, but still. I might hit that resistance. Let's see. Boom, you're so mean. Throw a rock at it. Sis, man. Poor little monkey. It's just a baby. Yeah, guys, if you guys want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. Let's grow this amazing community. I'm all for it. I love it. Let's do this. Don't I have a what over there? Coulda woulda is the biggest mentality to shake when learning. They are just choices. Ooh, wither, I like that. Hey Laura, yeah I do. I just went off my concerns. Then why, Joke? That's so mean. Right, consolidation. Yeah, Mike. Let's see. Hey, Franks. I mean, either way, the duck has been fed. Right? The duck has been paid. So we're good. Regardless of what happens. Now I must just not be greedy. I'm gonna leave it there. If it breaks above, I'll move it to the swing low. Obviously give it a little bit of breathing room in case. Okay, let me quickly go check on this monkey. It's really making noise. I'll be... Okay, I'm safe regardless. I don't like leaving a trade, but it looks safe, so... It's because I looked at it. I'll be right back. Okay, the mom found it. Nah, I see it took me out, but that's okay. Whee! I see it would have taken me out as well. I mean, nice, right? That was cool. I should try using a dump. So with it, it's something I've been looking into. Lived in Richard Bay Monkey, saw my bride moved to Cape. Joke? Hey, that is hilarious. Sorry, I mean, that's bad, but it's pretty funny. Okay, I'm gonna leave this level on. I know this is now confusing. I'm gonna take that away. That away. I'm gonna leave that up as well. Gotta get things going. Let's go. Nope, never mind. Mom has not found. It's this high-pitched. Do you know what it sounds like? It sounds like nails on a chalkboard. That is what this freaking noise sounds like. It's driving me crazy. How much in the green from them two trades? David, I'm up $316, but guys, sorry, this is what's exciting me more. On this damn eval, I've finally broken past 51. I know that sounds like such a stupid thing, but oh my gosh. It feels like I keep getting close and then it goes back down. Then I keep getting close and it goes back down. It keeps getting close. I finally broke the 51. So next is just the 52, then the 53, then we're good to go. Good to go. Maya went on a traditional frenzy today. Yep. It also shows you how many positions are at every tick. Ooh, interesting with it. If you get good at it, you can trade only using the DOM. So with it, the plan is to potentially look into using the footprints and the DOM. Yeah. It's the plan. Let's see. Mike M, this candle should tell us where next. Pricing our DOM can really show you when the market must be. Hey, Pulp Fiction, what's up? Now, can I start trading with $10? I mean, no, not really. Like, you can, but you might lose it really, really quickly. Okay. I now need to remind myself not to overtrade because now the little gremlins in my brain are saying it's fine. However, did it hit? Okay, give the Wi-Fi a minute. I'm trying not to overtrade now. That was good. That was good. Let's not start pushing it. It's really intimidating at first, but it's just like learning anything. Did it tap into... Not just yet. Oh no, wait. Oh, it did too. It tapped into this order block area that I thought it would retest off of, but now is this where it starts going all the way back down? Or is it going to continue to the buy side? It's on the higher time frame. Let's close that. See what it looks like on the higher time frame. This is what I thought it would tap into. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm 5 seconds away from running out and seeing if I can just grab that monkey. If I come back in with a monkey, it's because I've adopted one, apparently. Okay, well that imbalance has officially been filled, but are we gonna continue higher? What does it look like on the 1 hour? Whew, that noise. Okay. Go to a local witch doctor, make you win every trade. Bryson? I would still, especially if it's holding that level. David? Sis. But no. Ready, you could sell back down. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I can. Throw a rock at it. I'm telling you, stop it, boom. Perhaps retrace back down to VWAP. Retest, maybe. Hey, Bonjour, how's it going? You're looking at shorts now. Let's see. It has grabbed. Hasn't filled on the 1 hour yet, though. I wonder if it's going to continue up. On the 1 hour chart, and then New York brings us sells. I'm trying to also not overtrade now. I mean, on the 4 hour, we still have not filled 50% of this gap. Okay, close your eyes. This is about to look messy. We're near the 50% gap. Okay. Weekly and monthly bottom. There's where the dominant will help. Use baby monkey. Oh, sis David, no. Baron, what's up? How you doing? Okay, so this would have been my entry for a long again, because this is 50% of the fair value gap on the 4 hour. Maybe this is what it was headed towards. Here we go. Where's my VWAP? Oh, it's all the way down there. Like I said, I did like this entry. I'm just trying not to overtrade. I'm really trying not to overtrade. I mean, I had 2 really good winners now. I'm up $300 for the day so far, which is really, really good. Especially for me. And I don't want to be greedy and overtrade. Like David said, there's being confident and then there's being overly confident, and we don't want to do that. The charts do have a way of humbling you real quick. So let's see if this would have been a win if it's tapped into that order block and it's going to respect it even further down. RX, have I felt like my trading knowledge skills have improved since starting? Yes. Also, how long ago did I start? I started in April this year, actually. So I'm still, I want to say fairly new, but I mean, I guess we're going on a year, which is quite wild. But I'm super, super excited that, yeah, it's definitely growing. I think that is the key point there. We are definitely growing. No. So I wanted to mark out. Does I want to see something? And then up, taking a high. Huh. Looks like it potentially, let's see, there's an imbalance here. Is it going to bounce off of the imbalance? It's quite a big imbalance there, actually. Okay. I got distracted again. I'm so sorry. What happened in bearish market? Baron, are you asking what happened to the bearish market? I think we're just correcting imbalances right now. Hey, Wandile, how's it going? Welcome. Where are you from? Damn Bitcoin, yeah. So, oh no, Baron, I'm so sorry. Oh, you're right, David. Sorry. 366. I forgot. Thanks to an awesome donation from David. Again, shout out. Shout out to David. Hey, Kalani, welcome. Max, good morning to all your fans. Hi. Moving on. Okay, never mind. I see Noxus. gotten rid of you. The more money you build in your account, the easier it gets. I hope so, because sometimes it feels like I go there and then it just goes, nah. But still, that resistance is there. Do you use the timeline with a bigger time frame than the one? No, Fluffy Bunny, I do not. What you see is what I see. Literally. What you see is what I see. Wood made 500 from that sell. Boom. I don't mean to be that guy. Weren't you done trading? For the year? Just asking for a friend. That's a bullish fit. That'll get my breakthrough. Kalani. Oh, nice. That's okay. You trade? Again, shout out. Massive shout out to David. David, you're always there supporting. Mad love. Thank you. But how do I get a sister to trade like you or even better? Oh, hopefully even better. I'm still not profitable. I mean, it took a while. Lani, if you want to hop on the Discord, there's a bunch of training things there. Also, a lot of people who are more than willing to pop in some valuable information. That was a FU candle if I did ever see one. That was definitely a stop loss hunt right there. You steal enough crumbs, you can build a cake. Oh, I like that. Abdul, what's up? Well, are you my mom? Yes, I am, Boom. Because apparently you said that I'm old, so apparently now I am your mother. Okay. Yeah. Sit down. Anyways. Damn, the disrespect is real. I'm stupid. Way nice, TP. Abdul. Oh, yeah, well. Was it? What's this? What's happening? Yep, what did I do? Oh my gosh. Cause chaos. My speciality. Why are there two things? I want to know why there's two things. Why is it being so weird today? Just stop. Okay, anyways. Still hasn't quite hit that level. Yeah, I'm kind of hands off now. I mean, 2 winning trades for me today is really good. Is really good. I mean, this theoretically was more of an add-on to this trade, but still. Just coming from Bolito in. Oh, nice one, dealer. That's awesome. Is it silly season there? Has everyone arrived already? It kind of feels like it here. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. 20. Boom, banana drop. Right back into that damn water block liquidity zone. You take 2. Yeah, I did. Well, like I said, technically you can call it one big one, I guess. Technically, because I added on to this one, but this one got taken out there, and this one had. Yeah. For me, it got better with managing trades once I focused on the middle time frame and didn't focus that much on the entry one. Or calm. That's why I asked. Oh, interesting. That's very interesting. Fluffy Bunny. I don't know, the bigger ones feel... How do I put this? I always want to say intimidating. I don't know if that makes sense. I think I'm so used to the lower time frame, and you know, the points are then so much smaller and that my brain goes, ooh, those big ones with the massive points seem a bit much and they feel intimidating, but I know they're actually technically not. Corrected that imbalance, and that was that massive drop off. Hey Ricky, why did I take the first trade? So, I'm not even gonna lie, the first trade was a B setup. It actually was not an A+ setup. But it worked out, so that's fine. So the reason it was a B was because it tapped into the 50% of the 5-minute fair value gap. So I expected it to potentially even retrace further down. So I low-key want to say I was a bit lucky. But I had the inverse fair value gaps. The VWAP was above, so I thought I wanted to go and tap into the VWAP as well. And wanted to take out the highs, this high, before 4 a.m. hit. And I had a little bit, again, I call them a shelf. But again, it was a little bit risky, which is why I didn't put as many contracts. So looking back, maybe I should have, but it is what it is. So I didn't place as many contracts. I placed 5 where I should have technically placed 10. Anyways, then I went up. Awesome TP. I left a runner, and then I added on here. I added 2 contracts here, but it took out my 1 runner first before tagging me in for those 2. And then back up we went. And then I moved the second runner up here, and it took me out there. Yeah. That's it. Definitely started this weekend. Oh damn, you started this weekend, Wandila? Whoa, you well, good luck. That sounds bad. No, it's not an easy journey, let's put it that way. So if you're hoping for quick, easy money, no. If you're willing to put the time and effort in, it can be really, really rewarding. Clown King, what's this Forex note? This is Nasdaq futures, welcome. Bigger ones are intimidating, you say. Oh, yourself. Mike M, we should all go on Discord and... I mean, Mike M, I'm not saying no. Yeah. Can try 1 minute as well, but I focus on side chart more. It's 5:15 or 1 hour to manage it because you see that actually didn't move that much, even though on the 1 minute it looks like it. No, that's true. But I mean, that's why a lot of people use the 1 minute for the entries, right? Okay, I'm most likely not going to be placing then another trade. Not for today, I'm back for the New York session. But let's watch and see if this, oh my goodness gracious me. I don't know if you heard that. That's the monkeys running along the roof. Anyways. I probably won't take another trade today. No, not today, sorry. For the London session, because I'm still back for New York. Let's see what New York brings. I do see that there's news later. I did see there was a post in Discord about the news. There's a lot, so let's see what it brings. Today is Tuesday, right? Yes, today is Tuesday. I keep thinking it's Wednesday. Again. I keep thinking and believing that today is indeed Wednesday. Can I do any forecast for the metal market? Sorry, I can't, as I do not trade it. This may be your best week, actually. Ah, only true trader? You think so? That's really interesting. Super interesting. I'm curious to see how the rest of this week goes. If it goes well, I will tell you what has changed. There's only one thing that has changed. And maybe that's literally all it needed. It just needed that one thing. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. The monkey's making screaming noises and I don't like it because it makes me sad. This is all I was part of one of the biggest companies in the world for trading, and we got full control of all the accounts inside to make them positive or negative or net. Anyways, this thing is turning bearish. Cool, bunch of big news coming out. Yeah, what time is it coming out? So Mike M, you're bearish now. There's a lot of consolidation right now as contracts roll over in terms of taking the trades and actually following your setup. Yeah, basically on NutriTrader. And like you said, actually taking them. I still low-key think it's just retesting into this gap. I could be very wrong. But this kind of looks like it's just slowly going down before it's more of a push back up. But again, I definitely could be wrong. All the cheapskates who haven't liked this. Yeah, guys, don't forget to please like the stream. That would be much appreciated. And yeah, if you guys do use any of the prop firms in my description below, yeah, please use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, to yeah, get some awesome discounts. We once had an earthquake and I just thought it was monkeys running on the roof, which happens almost every afternoon. Honestly, and they are so loud about it. Like, have the audacity to be quiet at least. Now you just gotta risk more and be okay if blowing an eval. Yeah. Because I was even thinking about it yesterday, right? So yesterday I made, how much? It was 500, right? I'm just gonna say 500. Technically, yesterday I should have at least made 800. Because, you know, risking 200, I should have made 400 each on those trades. But I made 500. And I mean, now today, I should be up quite decently. I mean, I'm not, it makes it sound like I'm complaining, but with regards to the eval, I should now start to up it now that things are a bit more on a roll. That sounds bad, but you know what I mean. You can risk it if it's real, but that's why they're stealing you. But mind you, but you start doing it. Oh, sorry, David. But thank you for wanting to remind me. Yeah, guys, affiliate code. Let's do this. Let's get some discounts. Mark, do I think the Bank of Japan will hike? No idea. Sorry. Using a DOM and indicator to confirm your positions. With that, like I said, I am actually looking into it. It's something I'll be kind of keen on. What do you guys think? Would it be very interesting to you guys, for you guys, to also see the DOM and footprints on the chart as well while trading? It's better than, no, that David, 100%. That's why I feel like I sound like I'm just being a bit greedy. But anyways, P Shenanigan, how's it going? Yeah, thanks. The only true trader, that's valid. Now it is. I mean, it's even what I said in the journal last night. I need to now just start putting the correct contracts in. I think I try and do risk management by risking less, but by doing that, obviously, I'm screwing myself in the long run. I read that funding ticks changed their rules, did they? What did they do? Some guys are getting pushed to after their first. Interesting. Really? I hadn't heard that. Baby Star, you think it's short now? Here we go. I'm only on for 10 more minutes, so let's see what this does. I would still be in this trade. I'd be a little bit in the red, but I would still be in this trade, just saying. Sounds like Boom is still in a short though. Ooh. That's not good, and that kind of sucks because funding ticks is quite nice. What the heck, man? Yeah, because I liked funding ticks. Part of me wanted to use funding ticks because you only need 2.5k to pass the eval instead of 3k, which is pretty awesome. With a start of making 200, 500 is pretty good. In a month, keeping that up, you'll make a couple grand a day, and 500 will be your minimum. That would be amazing. Well, that's the hope anyways. I like them too. Yeah. And I'm still trading the eval. Well, P Shenanigan, are you using my code? If not, I'm gonna be upset with you. Okay. I'm joking. I'm just messing with you. You obviously, you do you. But now, P Shenanigan, because of this rule change, are you gonna stick with them, or are you gonna kind of say screw it and try find another prop? Out of curiosity. I would just like to hear your opinion. Think of it like this, right? When you're uncertain of the setup, don't take it, so there's no reason to risk less. That's true. Open short and don't worry. Okay, well, this would have been a loss. Just saying, so I'm glad I didn't do that. But it did, it tapped into that order block. Yeah. Tapped into that order block on the 4 hour, well, actually, 1 hour, 4 hour, all the hours. No, I lie. I'm talking rubbish. On the 15-minute. I don't like the high profit target, but if they start changing rules like that, I don't think it's good to stay with them. Interesting. Oh, thanks, Willa. Listen, there's some days where you just kind of go, what the heck, you know? But you just gotta keep going, right? Why did I draw it that way? It should have been the other way. That doesn't matter. I just drew it to get the 50%. Is it going back down to VWAP? Damn, I mean, not bad movement for London. I mean, obviously Asia had even more movement, which is still wild to me, but still. I heard they were quite dodgy with their forex prop. Ooh. Shenanigan, that's not good. To be fair, I didn't even really know they did the forex, because obviously, you know, I'm not trading the forex, but still. My mentor says don't sell below the low and don't buy above the high. Well, yeah, so that's, he's basically saying don't do breakouts. If it starts off being a bad day, don't chase it. Pick your battles. When you feel good, just stop for the day too. Whether that's exactly why I stopped now. So I was like, no. Done then for London session. Let's see what New York brings. And even then in New York, I'll make sure that I risk less than the profit I have. And we just go from there. Yeah, I think that's just the plan. We continue. We're gonna just carry on carrying on. If New York even gives us anything good, what if New York sucks after news? Or what time is news? Okay, I see news is there. Yeah, okay. I will probably be hands off until after news anyways, and then we go from there. Hey Perez, Ricky, what's up? Really great movement for London. Only to trade. Imagine you stayed in on your trade. Just by the way. I mean, still amazing trade, but waha. Imagine you stayed to that level. Oh, thanks, Perez. That's really sweet. No, not yet. Sorry, David. Oh, thanks, Stanley. I need to get another one. But people down here are a pain in the butt when it comes to organizing or planning anything. So here we are. We just continue. Like play guitar on some days, trying to write or learn something. Some days just aren't it. So I just set it down and the next day. Whether you play guitar, I have a guitar. I started learning how to play guitar and then stopped, and then my dog apparently hates it when I play guitar. So here we are. David disappointed. Why are you disappointed? What did I do now? Why are you disappointed in me? What happened? That was so mean. I did nothing wrong. Okay. Anyways, moving on. That's me in my profile on stage. Wait a second. So wait, do you like play in a band? Now I want to check your profile. I'm gonna check out your profile. I'm gonna be a little bit creepy. Let's stalk you a bit. Don't mind me. We're just gonna sit here and stalk someone. No, stalk is a very strong word. Let's not say stalk. Check out their profile. Got lows. Okay, well, there's a change of character and the break of structure. So yes, we're definitely now going down. Thank you. Want to check out. Whether you've played in a few. Damn, are you like in a rock band? You look like someone who's in a rock band. Also, is that electric? It looks electric. Hey YouTube, Darren, what's up? Bias, well, it's, like I said, a bit of a change of character and break of structure, so to the sell side. Definitely. I'm not gonna do it. But this would be quite a nice trade. 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna do it because it's pushing my luck. But let's see if this would have been a winner. Would have looked like this. Here's entry. I mean, it's quite small, but still. Maybe it's a mistake because it has taken out this internal liquidity. However, I do have 3 confluences. Yeah, let's see if it goes back up to even tag in before it continues, or if it continues to the sell side. Let's see. It has 3 minutes to decide if it would have been a winner or not. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nope. Maybe not. There's actually a lot of people that day trade in the metal. Are you serious with it? Should I start dressing up more metal and saying, screw it, we're doing this metal? Am I in a position? No, I'm not. I'm kind of hands off for now because I had 2 awesome wins here. Oops. Okay, so they would have been tagged in. Hit the 3 confluences, however it has made an inverse fair value gap, so let's see if it goes back down or not. This little doji was not that promising either, but hands off now because I had awesome 2 wins here. And now I sit and wait. I will be back for the New York session though. Let's see if we can get some more winning trades in. Bless me, sorry. Oh. Everything looks orange outside. Oh, David, that's so pretty. Do you know what the orange means though? Sorry, I'm gonna be a bit of a negative Nancy. Do you know why the sky becomes orange? There are no woulda couldas. No, I know, but you know. But you know. I don't mind if I leave needing comments. I'm still bearish unless we invert the 4-hour fair value, yeah. Okay. Hell yeah. I mean, I did dye my hair black once. I did a bad job. I have so much hair that just one box of dye doesn't do a proper job. So anyways, I did dye it black once. It was okay. It was fine. Good choice to keep the profits at, yeah. He shenanigans, but that's exactly. I'm now very curious to see if this would have been a hit or a miss, if you will. Oh, with a thank you. I appreciate it. Bless. Thank you. The Sahara sand. Laura, what about the Sahara? I feel like I missed something. What's up? TTX dubstep, what's up? Finished stream yesterday, same time. Consistency, yeah, I'm live twice a day actually, this time and later during the New York Open, or I guess depends on where you are. So I guess my main strategy theoretically is auction market theory. The ICT and SMC comes into play with the confluences that I use to confirm that strategy. Like I said, this one actually did have 3 confluences. Let's see if this goes down for it to be a win. I didn't take it though. Risk management and all those fun things. You know, I've had 2 wins. Let's not push my luck. Know when to stop, right? Like with anything, know when to stop. So definitely done for the day with this. I will be back for the New York session though. I see that as a different session. This is now done for the London session. Take your winnings and go. Oh, the Sahara sand. Oh, sorry, Laura. Is that why the sky's pink? So the orange is actually pollution. Sorry. But yeah, if the sky is looking super orange and stuff, it's pollution. So I guess technically it could be the sand, but in general, it's pollution. If you feel the need to take a trade, do it on a practice account. No, that's valid. Or I just forward test like this. Like I said, I really liked this one. And it looks like it would be headed in my favor, so that's quite cool. Here, yeah. Here I would have mitigated my risk by half. Let's see if it comes back up. So I should actually be going now, but I'm kind of dedicated in seeing if this would have been a win. Kind of looks like it would have. Hey Sam, what's up? Exactly, David. Maybe I'm gonna sing that at karaoke. I will not do a good job at singing that at karaoke. I can tell you that one for free. Yeah, man. Oh, thanks, son. I appreciate it. I'm looking on Earth because... Huh, interesting. I mean, it doesn't stop the pollution. Where there are humans, there is pollution. Sorry, that's me being negative. Anyways. So, let's see. This looks like it may have... Boom. Okay, would have taken me out for a little bit of a loss. There we go. Before going back down. Naturally. How rude. Okay, I'm gonna call it there for today. That was awesome, right? That was a goodie. See, don't overtrade, know when to stop. Definitely a key rule. Lock yourself out. You know, there's a reason there is a lock yourself out button so that you can't make any silly mistakes. So I'm gonna call it there for today. Wallpaper, my name is Maya. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it there for today. Thanks for joining, guys. That was an awesome green morning. Let's see what New York brings. We've got this. New York's going to be amazing. I'm excited. Again, thank you for the support. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys want to join the Discord, more than welcome to. Shout out again to David for all the donations. Mad love. Thank you, thank you. And yeah, if you guys want to use my code, it's TeachMaya for any of the prop firms. There we go. English left the building. For any of the prop firms in my description below, if you guys want to use that, let's do this. Oh, Kiwi, I'm about to leave. Sorry, Kiwi Derek, but I'm back. And Doob. Okay, I'm back for the New York session. So if you guys want to hop in and join for the New York Open, I will be here. I'll be going live 9:15 a.m. EST time. Let's do this. Okay, I love you guys madly, and I'll see you then later. Have an amazing day, night, evening, wherever you're at. I hope it's a goodie. Go touch some grass, go rest. I'll be back for the New York. I love you guys. Bye.